Hi guys, my name is Edge and welcome back to my world. For today's video ay isi-share ko sa inyo ang aking VA journey from rejection hanggang sa pag-graduate sa training. Parang teleserye pero promise may happy ending. Kaya handa na ba kayo? Let's go! Quick backstory, na-reject ako sa the BA Hub. Ang sakit besh, parang sinabihan ka ng crush mo na let's just be friends. Ouch. Pero tama lang ang kasabihan na rejections are just redirections kasi not long after, natanggap ako sa Virtudes. So, destiny, ikaw na ba to? Pagdating ng interview sa Virtudes, ibang level din yung kapa that time. I'm sorry pero hindi ako pwedeng mag-provide ng specific questions, interview questions, kasi sa pinirmahan kong non-disclosure agreement. So, ang ginawa ko na lang is nag-research, nag-practice ng mga possible interview questions, and just be confident and smile. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun wala na akong supply ha. Kasi in the first few days, sabog-sabog ang execution, minsan mali sa timing, minsan loss sa instructions, pero hindi ako tumigil. Although nakakayaman, but I'm really glad kasi supportive ang mga trainings ko. Lahat ng mga feedback nila, I took it constructively. So, nakita ko yung improvement ko on a daily basis. So, that's good. Sa training, kailangan mo talagang maging active. Parang Miss Universe ang peg. Dapat mapansin ka na nila from day one pa lang, pero in a good way. Kaya lagi akong nagpa-participate sa discussion, sa activities, at nagtatanong ako sa mga hindi ako sure ang mga answer or para just to be sure na I'm on the same page. Graduation na namin on last January, first week of January. And twist of the day, pinang kami ng aming trainer na kokonti lang daw ang nakapasa sa amin sa group. Kaya sabi namin, hala, paano na yan? Blah, 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 blah. Pero, good thing, binawi naman ng trainer namin na it was just a prank for most of us. Kasi unfortunately, may dalawang hindi nakapasa sa training. And, nakakalungkot man, but I'm really thankful that I'm part of the team members or trainees na nakapasa. Achievement unlocked! By the way guys, please watch out sa aking mga next uploads or videos. Malay nyo, isi-share ko na sa inyo yung mga task or mga CRM tools na gagamitin ko sa aking kliyente. And of course, hindi mawawala yung mga struggles ko, pinagdaanan ko while transitioning sa virtual assistance industry. So promise, i-update ko kayo. Again guys, I'm really sorry. Hindi ako pwedeng maging specific regarding the interview questions and yung answers ko that time kasi sa NDA. But if you have questions, comments, reactions, please feel free to drop them below. Again guys, if you find this vlog helpful, please consider clicking the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification down below for more updates. Again guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next.